Look, Callie, it's snowing. A lot. What do you think about the snow? It's crazy.
You're just going in the water.
I know. Hey, what are you eating? Oh, okay. Toast. Very good.
Yes, make sure you take some pictures of Callie, and we'll send you your favorite one for the frame.
Hey, come back inside. Let's close the door. It's cold.
I'm looking at the snow. I'm looking at the snow.
Okay, isn't that cool?
Crazy.
It's a white Christmas. I'm dreaming of a white Christmas, just like the ones I used to know.
Oh. I'm cold.
You're cold? All right, come on in.
It's been about 4 years since we've seen snow.
I think so.